Manage your inventory with phenomenal ease by tracking the use of ingredients in your recipes. Ingredients are raw materials used in the preparation of food items. For example, chicken, apple, and cooking oil. In Sapaad, you can upload all your ingredients in a few easy steps. Let's begin. Click the menu button and choose Setup. Select Inventory Setup and click Ingredients and Sub-Recipes. Then choose Upload Ingredients. Download the sample CSV file from the link and open. Fill up the information. Let's say your ingredient is boneless chicken. Add the ingredient name, ingredient code, and description. Under ingredient category name, let's add poultry. For recipe unit name, add the measurement unit that you use for boneless chicken. Let's say you use grams to measure boneless chicken in your recipe. Under recipe unit name, enter grams. Also include purchasing details. Let's say that you buy boneless chicken from your supplier in kilograms. Under buying unit text, enter KGS. For buying unit value, convert the buying unit text to your recipe unit. In this case, 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1,000 grams. Enter 1,000. Also, add the net weight value or the drained weight. This refers to the actual weight of the item used for consumption and does not include the weight of its packaging or excess liquid. In this case, let's enter the net weight as 1,000 grams of boneless chicken. Finally, enter your supplier details such as supplier name, supplier code, supplier email, supplier price, supplier phone number, and supplier addresses. Finally, enter the percentage of tax you pay under tax rate PO. Once done, don't forget to save your file. Next, head over to Sapaad and choose the save file from your computer. When done, click Upload. Click Close and select Ingredients and Sub-Recipes to go back to see your uploads. And there you have it. Just remember these 3 simple steps. First, download your sample CSV file. Second, enter the ingredients and supplier details. Lastly, upload your file. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.